Welcome to Naveen Tech Hub, where AI meets real-world engineering.
All right, let's talk about Claude Design, a new tool that's really shaken things up.
So Anthropic just dropped this really cool new product, and it's aimed right at builders.
And get this, a massive competitor stock dropped almost 8% because of it. So what exactly is this thing that's causing all the commotion?
It's called Claude Design, and you should think of it as your own personal design partner.
Basically, it's for anyone who needs to make visuals but isn't a professional designer. So how's it work? It's powered by Anthropic's latest AI and Canva's awesome design engine.
Yeah, basically Canva's design tools are now baked right into the Claude experience.
Okay, let's see this thing in action. It all starts with a simple prompt.
First, you just tell it what you want. You can even give it links or screenshots.
But here's the cool part. Claude actually asks you questions to get it right.
Then it spits out a live interactive preview right there in the chat. Super cool.
And from there, it's all about iteration. You review it, give feedback, and refine.
And you can build almost anything with it. We're talking prototypes, dashboards, presentations, you name it. For businesses, this is a game changer. It can automatically use your company's branding.
Which brings us right back to this number, that 8% drop for a competitor. This really shows a big shift in how design might get done from now on.
So it leaves you wondering, will every builder soon need an AI design partner?